An asset is more than just equipment or property. It's a resource with economic value, something an individual, company, or even a country owns or controls with the expectation that it will generate future benefits. But here's the challenge. As assets are used, they deteriorate, fail, or deliver less than optimal performance. That's where maintenance management comes in. Why do assets deteriorate? There are several common causes. Improper operations, often due to untrained workers or following the wrong processes. Natural aging over time. Obsolescence, sometimes unexpected, sometimes inevitable. Defective or poor quality parts. Both extremes of maintenance, failure to maintain or excessive over-maintenance. Lack of monitoring tools and equipment. And perhaps most damaging, a poor reliability culture where the motto is just get it done quickly, rather than get it done right. These factors reduce asset performance, shorten lifespan, and increase costs. Maintenance management is the systematic approach to handling assets throughout their entire life cycle. Its ultimate goal, total asset life cycle optimization. This means maximizing availability and reliability so production runs smoothly, delivering the right quantity of goods at the right quality level. The key objectives include optimizing the reliability of equipment and infrastructure, ensuring machines are always in good working condition, carrying out emergency repairs promptly to minimize downtime, improving productivity with low-cost modifications or upgrades, guaranteeing smooth operation of energy and fluid distribution systems, enhancing operational safety, training personnel in specialized maintenance skills, advising on acquisition, installation, and operation of new machinery, contributing to better product quality, and protecting the environment. In short, maintenance management is not just about fixing things when they break, it's about ensuring assets deliver maximum value, safely and sustainably. But despite its importance, maintenance management faces challenges. Often, management gives little attention to maintenance until something fails. Accounting teams may rarely analyze and report true maintenance costs. There can be difficulties in applying proper quantitative analysis to forecast failures. Time and cost estimates for maintenance tasks are often unreliable, and performance measurement itself is complex, leaving gaps in accountability. These challenges make it harder for organizations to maximize asset value and efficiency. The message is clear. Without effective maintenance management, assets deteriorate faster, costs rise, and performance drops. But with a well-structured approach, organizations can secure reliable production, improve safety, protect the environment, and get the very best from their investments. Maintenance management isn't just about machines. It's about building a culture of reliability, foresight, and long-term value.